Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I put together my log cabin. This is not necessarily the way everybody else does it, so just keep in mind you might make your log cabin a different way. So this is kind of a wonky log cabin. It's not precise. I just have a whole bunch of scraps. This is a very small part of it that I've got just in 2-inch, 3-inch strips. And what I'm gonna do is I am gonna start with 2 inches for my center. You don't necessarily have to do that. I just like 2 inches to start with. And I'm gonna get a strip and I'm going to turn it over and sew right here along this edge. And then when you do that, you will press it into place and you will get something like this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trim this off right here, just like this, and I'm just cutting it along that edge. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another piece, and if you want to use a pin, you can. So I would pin it right here, just remember which my last piece was, and I would sew another piece this way. So let me show you that. Okay, so look, I have a really long piece. It's not that big of a deal, but I've just sewn it along this edge. So I'm just going to take it and then trim it down right here. And I get this lovely piece. So you're just gonna work your way around, and if you are afraid you're gonna lose your spot, just put a pin in it like this. Work your way around until you get the size block that you want. Okay, so this is my block. You can see it barely fits on the screen. It's because it is like, let's just measure it, 14.5. So I have made my blocks, I've decided they're gonna be 12.5. So I'm just gonna trim them down, turn it, turn it. Now this is when the measuring part matters. So I'm actually going to use the mat for this to make sure I'm good. Let's see if I can make you see it. So I just wanted to show you, I'm going to line it up right here on the mat. All right, that is my wonky log cabin. And I hope you have a chance to make something like this. I'm going to finish this up and make a small quilt out of it.